Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5 mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the decorative shell of the wiring port. Disconnect the small battery terminal. Disconnect the 3-wire harness terminals of the battery base. Use a 3 mm hex key to unscrew the 3 screws that secure the discharge terminal. Take out the discharge terminal. Install the discharge terminal back. Tighten the 3 screws. Reinsert the corresponding 3-wire harness terminals. Plug back the small battery terminal. Reinstall the small battery. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.